Can you draw this super cute duck in just 5 minutes? Draw this cute duck. Let's start with a simple curved shape for the body. Now draw a long neck. Add a round head, a small orange beak.
Moving everywhere.
Stay until the end to see the amazing final coloring.
Let's all sing it once again.
Don't worry if it's not perfect. Just have fun. Let's make our duck even happier. Draw the water,
And sees a seed so small.
some green grass,
It up and eats it all. Sun shines bright in the sky. Hen goes walking by, by, by. Cluck, 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 says the
tall plants,
Let's all sing it once again. Flap your wings and turn around. Happy
fluffy clouds, and a bright sunny sky.
Flap, flap wings up so high. Walk like a hen, give it a try. Peck, peck down, tap the floor.
A beautiful
Dance
flower,
with the hen once more.
a cute little eye.
Cluck, 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 sing along. Little hen's a happy song. Laugh,
Color with fun.
play, skip around with
Now comes the best part.
little hen on
The beak orange.
peck, peck, peck. Look,
Color the duck bright yellow.
what will she get? Scratch, scratch here, scratch, scratch there. Tiny feet moving everywhere. Cluck, 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 says the hen. Let's all sing it once again. Flap your wings and turn around.
And the sun bright yellow.
Be hen on the ground. Little hen sees a seed so small. Picks it up and eats it all. Sun shines bright in the sky. Hen goes walking by, by, by. Cluck, 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 says the hen. Let's all sing
The grass
it
green.
once again. Flap your wings and turn around. Happy hen on the ground. Flap, flap wings up so high. Walk like a hen, give it a try. Peck, peck down, tap the floor. Dance with the hen once more. Cluck, 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 sing along. Little hen's a happy song. Laugh and play, skip around.
The water
with
blue.
Our hen on the ground.
Take your time
Little
and
leaf
enjoy coloring.
dancing softly in the air.
Wow! Look how beautiful our cute duck turned out.
Floating gently.
If you enjoyed drawing with me, like this video, comment your favorite color.
On the breeze it twirls around.
New easy drawing
Slowly
videos every
falling
week.
to the ground. Up
The
so
flower
high
red.
and down so low like a tiny boat it goes. Light and free it loves to play. Dancing all the windy day.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next drawing adventure.
A happy
Goodbye.
dancing